Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome on in. Hints and tips for model making. Whether you're any age, any experience, you're going to find loads of information on the channel. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a like, and as always, please feel free to leave a comment. Okay, let's jump right into it. Don't buy this. If you are buying a model kit for the very first time as a way of starting out in the hobby, it probably has come with a tube of this, or you've been recommended to buy a tube of this. Please don't. This is absolutely awful stuff to use when it comes to putting together a model kit. And you're much better off buying one of the liquid cements. We'll look at one shortly. But this stuff, the polystyrene cement, has its uses, but not for putting together any model kits. Just don't do it. So we'll take the cap off, and the very first thing we see is lots of congealed glue and dry glue around the thread. That's the first problem. Second problem is that this stuff tends to come in metal tubes, and once those tubes have been squeezed, they can't be unsqueezed. Oh no. And lastly, getting a controlled flow of glue from these tubes is nigh on impossible. So we'll just give that a tiniest squeeze. There we are. Look at it. Dripping out constant. There it goes. There's enough glue there to put 4 or 5 kits together, and we've just used one little squeeze of glue. Now you can see it congealing as it comes out of the tube as well. Just not a good way to go. Save your money, don't buy it. So if you can't use this for your model kit, what should you use instead? Let's take a look at one alternative. So something like this will serve you a lot better. This is a liquid cement, not the gel that we've just looked at. So let's take the top off, see what we get. Notice straight away that the threaded area for the cap is clear and clean. That means we're not going to get any wasted product there. Let's come in and have a look at the brush. We get a brush with this built into the cap. And as for the product itself, well, let's have a look. There we go, one dip, we're in. We've got a decent amount there, probably too much for this test, but a much better control of flow, and it'll dry a lot quicker as well. That polystyrene cement that we just looked at can take forever to dry, and then you'll still find some parts that just fall off of your model. This stuff, it's brilliant. As I say, Tamiya, not the only maker of it, but go with a liquid cement every time. Save your money. Don't buy polystyrene cement for your first kit. It'll just put you off of the hobby and make you go and waste your money on something else. Okay, that's it. Another short one. These short blast videos are going to keep coming for a little while. Take care. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Leave a comment, and we'll see you next time at St. Blazey Model World. Bye for now.